Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. And let's not forget, I have that Amazon purchase that we're gonna unbox today too. Okay, so the baby's sleeping. See? Got her sleeping here. There we go, so that part's done. Now I can dig in to this Amazon box. Sorry, I got a little overzealous and I kind of peeked inside already. But anyway, let's have a look at this unboxing. So this is all stuff for the vlog. We have an SLR. Most of what you've seen so far has been done on my handy Sony Action Cam, which I'm going to continue to use. I just love the thing. Link in the description below if you want to pick one of those up. Also going to put a link in the description below to all of these great goodies right here. So, let's have a look. First, Power Extra. This is going to be some batteries because the most important thing is to have extra batteries. So, let's have a look here. Nice. So, for the 3200, got 2 extra batteries for the nice Nikon 3200 camera that we have. And a little charger, which is great, so that way we can charge them on the go. Looks like there's a 12-volt adapter too. So again, link in the description below to this stuff. That's awesome. Batteries, you know, hey, whatever. Not the most exciting thing. This says caution on batteries. Man, packaging so hard to get into. Let's have a look here. Oh yeah. So this camera right here that we're filming on, these are batteries for that. So we've even got extra one of those. So time lapses will be much better for you guys now because we have more power. And what do we have here? Another 12 volt, which is awesome. And perfect. This is a must if you have an action camera, because the only way to charge the battery that's in the camera right now is for me to plug it into a USB. This way I can charge the batteries outside of the camera. So must buy if you have any type of action camera, Sony, GoPro, whatever. Again, put some links in the description below for you guys to check that out. What else? Oh yeah! So right now, on the camera that you see right there, I've got one of these Jobies, which are amazing. And this one here is for a cell phone. So this is a cell phone Joby. So it looks like that. Oh yeah, see, screw this on here. Let's have a look here. Woo-wee. Boom. Clip. So, oh, it's a spring. And then look at this, guys. Look. Ooh, it fits. Now, oh, and it's solid too. That's important. That's important for it to be solid because I bought one of these that wasn't a Joby, so definitely go for the brand name. And the thing wouldn't stand up. Camera was flopping all over the place, wouldn't hold my phone whatsoever. So I decided to go with the good brand name this time. They build a good product. Look at that. Holds the phone beautifully. So we'll keep that right there. Okay. Now, like I said, we do have an SLR. I'm just going to go grab that actually. I'll show you what we have. So again, you know, everybody has their opinions. Definitely one thing I would look for in an SLR is to have the flip out screen on the back. Because that's one thing our SLR doesn't have is a flip out screen. So if you're going to use it primarily for vlogging, it's nice to have that spin out screen on the back. But anything that goes through glass, a better lens, is going to give you better video. So if you've got an SLR, use it. So I'd love to buy a new SLR, but that's just not in the budget right now. So we're going to use the SLR that we have, which is a D3200 from Nikon. So really, really nice camera. You know, it's solid, rugged, affordable, you know. Again, I'll put a link in the description below. There's probably a much newer version of this camera by now, but this is the one that we're primarily going to use, again, because we're saving money. We're going to use what we have. So, what are the upgrades for this? Well, of course, got a Joby. So we've got a Joby for the SLR. We've got a Joby for the phone. We are just a Joby kind of vlogging day today. So this bad boy here. Woohoo! Now it's important that you get the ball head, okay? That's one thing when you're getting the Joby for your SLR. Make sure you get the Joby with the ball head. Okay, so there we go. Boom, got the shoe. Take off this shoe from the tripod that I have now, which, I mean, the tripod's great, but... Okay, put that in. Man, you know, nobody uses coins anymore. It's great to have a slot, you know, this little slot here. Like, that's an awesome idea, but, like, who uses coins? I take it back. There you go. I got it nice and tight without. Okay, boom. So now, our Nikon has a Joby as well. So this vlog is about to get upgraded. Boom. With a better lens and a Nikon camera. Alrighty. The next important thing. How does your audio sound? Not sure how great I sound through the Action Cam. I'm sure it sounds okay. But again, for the SLR that we already had, not purchasing a new one, just upgrading it, adding a few little extras to it, we got this right here. VideoMic Go by Rode. So this guy is what's highly recommended Rode mics on all of the, any of the vlogs or blogs or anything you read. Everyone says to go with Rode. I mean, that's just, they're just the best at what they do. So here we go, nice little cable here, plugs into the back of the mic. So simple, like you couldn't make this any easier. And the shoe on the top should fit the shoe on any SLR. Boom, open the side door of your SLR, plug in the mic, and ta-da! Instant upgraded audio. Now the last thing that we have here is Dead Cat. Now, Dead Cat, if anybody wants to know, it's not really Dead Cat. But this is again a Rode version. If you want to keep it clean, you know, if you want to clean it and wash it and things like that, Rode is the one to go with. Rode Dead Cat. Link in the description below if you want to pick up one of these. We're going down to the lake. And we want to take a bunch of video at the lake. We want to do some vlogging while we're there. And you don't want to hear wind, okay? You don't want that noise. So what this guy does is this guy goes up here on your microphone so that you're going to get better quality audio. And that's important, especially when you're vlogging, and I want you, the audience, to be able to hear me a little bit better. But again, guys, work with what you have. Don't go out and spend thousands and thousands of dollars. I think this order here cost me like under 250 bucks, and it got me 4 batteries, 2 for that action camera right here that I'm filming on, another 2 batteries for this Nikon, 2 chargers, 1 for that, 1 for this. It got me an awesome GorillaPod here for the phone, so that I can take better selfies and I can do time lapses and stuff on the phone. So now basically everybody has a cell phone, so that's one camera. Most people have an action camera like this one now. This is how I started with this action camera. You know, if you've got an SLR laying around, use what you have, and then just do little upgrades, like upgrade the mic here, you know, get yourself a Dead Cat. You know, extra batteries is like hugely important. So I mean, anything that you own, make sure you grab some extra batteries for it for sure. If you like what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button below, smash us a like. Links in the description to all of this stuff if you guys want to pick some of it up to add to your own collections at home. Smash that like button below, hit that subscribe button. Alright, and we'll see you later.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.